So for this, I'm going to go ahead and assemble it straight onto the press. I put goat cheese on one side of my Italian bread, and then I'm just going to brush a little bit of olive oil, like so, onto the press. Next, I'm going to put some blackberry jalapeno jam, which I just made a half recipe of the one that I did the other day. If you didn't happen to catch it, I will leave a link down below as well as up above in the iCard. So a nice little layer of this blackberry jelly, and I'm kind of keeping it a little more towards the middle just because I don't want it to squish all over the place and not be on the sandwich anymore when I close it. So like so. Next, I have some really lovely Parma prosciutto. And this panini press is on high, by the way. Little bit of arugula going down. My next piece of bread. Little brush of olive oil. And press it. And this is what that is looking like, all gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off of the panini press and plate it up. And this is what it's going to look like when it's all plated up. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking, everyone.
BackBitesForever.com